Let's learn the letter L. Start at the top, down and curl. L is for lion. L. The lion got tired and slept near lemon plants. The wind blew, waking the lion up and falling leaves. How would you feel if someone disturbed your sleep?
Lamb skips along. So sweet. Lion with a lollipop, a delightful treat. Lips. 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 Legs. 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 Lamb. 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 Lion. 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 Lollipop. Lollipop. L.